One of the coolest parts of CES for me is finding the hidden gems. There's a ton of technology from the larger companies you'd expect, but if you walk around the show floor and roam the halls, you will see some incredible tech from companies you would not expect. So let me share with you some of the most surprising technology of CES 2017. Let's start with the company that's been around for, I think, 240 odd years. The United States Postal Service has a big booth here and had a ton of awesome technology in it. One of the coolest ones for me, though, was the appropriately named Most Wonderful Ornament, and it's an ornament that's going to glow different colors to track a package that you sent. So if you're sending a present out to grandma and you want to know when she got it, when it got shipped, and when she opened it up, it'll glow 3 different colors. It'll change to blue when the package is out for delivery, red when it's been dropped off, and the color you want, it will glow green when it has been opened. So you should check your phone and make sure grandma called you, because grandma needs to be more courteous. It uses cellular technology, and the sensor it's actually built into the box. When it's opened, USPS is going to know it, so you don't have to check your phone or put enough tracking information into a website. You're going to look at your tree and be able to know what the package is there. So you come down in the morning, you'll see the ornament is glowing different colors. It'll plug right into your string of lights too, so you don't have to worry about external power. It was kind of cool to see ornament technology start to be a thing and come from the USPS. So from technology for your Christmas tree, what about technology for where you work? This is the Alt Workstation. It's a gravity desk that lets you sit, stand, or pretty much lay down and work. So the bad news first, it's gonna cost $4,900. The cool news though is it looks awesome. It puts magnets on the bottom of your stuff, so like your keyboard and your mouse, and it lets you lay totally flat, and you can type and look pretty cool while you're doing it. It's got an integrated monitor, desk, and chair that's gonna move with your body to create an amazingly comfortable and productive workstation. For me though, I probably would just sleep, but if you think you can do work while laying down, take a look at it. If you guys have been watching a lot of MTV Cribs, or maybe you see Diddy's yacht out there and you think, you know, I wish I could have that yacht, but maybe in a giant RV form, then the Furrion Elysium is probably going to be for you. This is clearly a concept, and I can't describe it any better than like a land yacht. It's kind of a cool marriage of high tech and unnecessary luxurious living for an RV. This is a trailer you're gonna want to invite people over to. So it's a 45-foot RV that showcases their latest tech. It's got HDTVs, it's got kitchen appliances, audio guidance, observation stuff. It even has a very Tesla-inspired navigation screen. And, oh hey, it also has a helicopter landing pad and a hot tub. And beyond that, the helicopter itself will retract into the RV. Just let that sink in for a minute. And listen, they're claiming the upper deck is perfect for entertaining company in the hot tub, but I mean, we all know what that's for. If you're gonna spend the money for an RV with a hot tub, I mean, maybe spring for a real boat. Furrion, a company I had admittedly never heard of before the show, also had a giant mechanical, I guess, prosthesis, but it looks like it came from Avatar. It's a 20-foot exobionic mech suit capable of running at a speed of more than 21 miles per hour, which doesn't sound that fast, but if you see a giant mechanical spider-looking thing with the dude inside of it coming at you, 21 miles per hour is plenty fast. It was built for a pilot and is a creation of responsive, stable, and powerful exobionic platform that amplifies the motion of the pilot. So like if the dude inside or lady moves their leg, it's going to move with them. It stands nearly 14 feet tall, 16 feet wide, and weighs more than 7,000 pounds, and it is electrically powered, so I guess kind of good for the environment. The next technology is from a company you'd expect to put out awesome tech, but in an unexpected way. This is Razer's Project Ariana. It's the world's first video projection system designed for immersive gaming. It's a crazy cool video projector which uses an ultra-wide fisheye lens and advanced processing capabilities to take your game just like out of your setup. So if you're gaming and you have your TV up on the wall, it's gonna project what you're looking at around the TV as well to create a really immersive environment. It's got pretty cool intelligent room calibration for personalized projection. This is obviously a concept that may never come to market, but the way it immerses you into the game is unlike anything I've ever seen. If you ever looked at a hoverboard and thought, that just looks too safe, the folks at One Wheel have you covered with the Plus. This $1,500 single wheel hypercore motor thing takes performance to, they claim, next level. It's got a 5 to 7 mile range, and before folks yell at me, that's 8 to 11 kilometers. It can also go up to 19 miles per hour or 30 kilometers per hour, which is really fast, and it looks like you are just putting your feet on opposite sides of a go-kart wheel. It's available now. It looks crazy. It was hard to ride, but imagine yourself getting used to it. So there's a ton of tech, obviously, at CES, and if you go looking for it, you'll find a lot of really cool things from companies you wouldn't expect. I was really impressed with what I saw from Razer, from the USPS. Let me know down below what kind of tech you guys like the most. Any of these sound interesting to you? We'll have a discussion about it. Be sure you have notifications turned on so you know when new videos are coming. Until next time, I am John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo.